Hi everyone, welcome back to my vet journey. Today in this video we'll be discussing about the list of colleges that are participating in All India Veterinary Counseling 2022, that is this year. So we'll be discussing about all the veterinary colleges of all the states which are participating in All India Veterinary Counseling for the admission through All India quota. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So talking about the first state, that is Andhra Pradesh. So in Andhra Pradesh there are three veterinary government veterinary colleges which will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling. These colleges are NTR College of Veterinary Science Gannavaram, College of Veterinary Science Prodhatur, College of Veterinary Science Tirupati. Now coming to the next state, that is Assam. So in Assam only one veterinary college is there, government veterinary college, that is College of Veterinary Science Guwahati. So this college will be participating in VCI counseling. Coming to Bihar, so in Bihar Veterinary College, this will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling 2023. Coming to the next state, that is Chhattisgarh. So in Chhattisgarh, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Durg, it will be participating in the All India Veterinary Counseling. Next state is Gujarat. From Gujarat, four veterinary colleges will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling. These four colleges are College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Anand, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Junagadh, and the next is College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Navsari, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Sardar Nagar. I'm so sorry if I spell the names incorrectly because I have no idea about these places. Coming to the next state, that is Haryana. From Haryana, two colleges will be participating, out of which one will be the private college. So these colleges are College of Veterinary Science, Hisar, and this is government college. And coming to the private college, that will be International Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, Rohtak. Next is Himachal Pradesh. So from Himachal Pradesh, only one veterinary college will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling. That is Dr. G.C. Negi College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Palampur. From Jammu Kashmir, two colleges will be participating. That is Faculty of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Jammu, Faculty of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Srinagar, Kashmir. Coming to next state, that is Jharkhand. So from Jharkhand, only one college will be participating, that is Ranchi College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Ranchi. From Karnataka, Veterinary College Hebel, Bengaluru, Veterinary College Nandinagar, Bidar, Veterinary College Hassan, and Veterinary College Simoga. Now coming to Kerala, so two colleges will be participating, that is College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Thrissur, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Pukote. The next is Madhya Pradesh. So from Madhya Pradesh, three colleges will be participating, that is College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Jabalpur, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Mo. I'm sorry if I spelled it wrong. College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Rewa. From Maharashtra, Mumbai Veterinary College, Nagpur Veterinary College, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Parbhani, KNP College of Veterinary Sciences, Satara, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Udgir. So coming to the Mizoram, so from Mizoram, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Iswal, Mizoram, and from Odisha, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Bhubaneswar. So coming to the next college that will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling for this year. So the next college is Rajiv Gandhi College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Puducherry. And from Punjab, two colleges are participating, out of which one will be private and one will be government. So from private, it's Khalsa College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Amritsar. The next college is College of Veterinary Science, Ludhiana. Now coming to the next state, that is Rajasthan. So from Rajasthan, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bikaner, Postgraduate Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, Jaipur, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Navania, Udaipur. And talking about the private colleges which will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling is Mahatma Jyotiba Phule College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Chomu, and Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur, and Aravali Veterinary College, Sikar. So these colleges are the private colleges, and these other colleges they are the government colleges. Now coming to the next state, that is Tamil Nadu. So from Tamil Nadu, Madras Veterinary College, Chennai, College of Veterinary Science and Research Institute, Namakkal, Veterinary College and Research Institute, Orathanadu, and Veterinary College and Research Institute, Tirunelveli. These are the colleges of Tanuas which will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling for this year. Coming to the next state, that is Telangana. So from Telangana, College of Veterinary Science, Hyderabad, College of Veterinary Science, Korutla. From Tripura, it's College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry at R.K. Nagar, Agartala, Tripura. Now coming to the next state, that is Uttar Pradesh. So from Uttar Pradesh, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Faizabad, College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Mathura, ICAR, that is Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izzatnagar, Bareilly, and College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Meerut. So these are the colleges, government veterinary colleges of Uttar Pradesh, which will be participating in the All India Veterinary Counseling. Now coming to the next state, that is Uttarakhand. So from Uttarakhand, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Patnagar, and from West Bengal, it's Faculty of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Kolkata. So these all colleges from different states will be participating in All India Veterinary Counseling, that is VSI Counseling 2022. And if any changes occurs, then I would definitely let you know in the upcoming videos. Moreover, VSI counseling can start soon, so I will definitely let you know in the upcoming videos about all the procedure and everything related to VSI counseling. So thank you so much for watching. That's all in this video. I'm on Instagram also by My Vet Journey. Link is in the description. You can go and check it out, and you can follow me there also. Thank you so much for watching. Coming up with more videos. Take care. Bye.